it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, this is a review video on this product here, which is the Sunbeam Iced Coffee Maker. It says it does refreshing iced coffee in minutes. So as you can tell by what I look like, I am in desperate need of a coffee. I'm exhausted. So this is definitely going to come in handy today. So I do want to let you guys know that this was a gift. This was a Christmas gift. It is not sent to me or sponsored or anything like that. Someone did purchase this for me for Christmas, and I've used it once, and there are things that I want to change about what I did last time to see if I like the end result better, because I wasn't too convinced. But for reference, in Australia, this has different retail prices, but it is around the $79 mark, and there are a few stores that sell it. So this video is going to be a little bit of a more not my face and more of the machine, so I can show you exactly what it does and things like that. So I have done a few steps, and I do need to hurry up because I've got the ice out and it's melting already. So I'm going to turn the camera around, and just excuse the mess that's happening right now, but this is my real life and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so hopefully this isn't too dark. I'm sort of against the light at the moment, but this is the machine here. So can I first of all say it is super lightweight. Like, I am very surprised. Now it comes with the machine and also this cup. So I have skipped a few steps, as I said. So basically on this cup, it has some marks, if I can find it. So here it says water. So what you do is you take this top bit off. Why isn't it just coming off? What's happened? Oh my God, you guys, I've never had a problem before, and now I'm having a problem. What's happened? So you open the lid, you take this top section out, you fill up this cup to the water line, and you pour the water in there. So I have done that already. You pop this piece back in with this lever on the closed section, so that's basically that nothing can leak out. Now it comes with this scoop, and it says to add 1 full scoop of coffee into this little basket. Now the first time I used it, to be honest, I found it really strong, so we're going to do less than half, I reckon. So a little less than half I'm going to do. That much, it's hard to show you, but a little less than half straight into the basket. Now, one thing for me, I like iced coffee a bit sweet, and the problem that I'm going to have is once the ice touches the liquid, it's hard to mix in things. So I'm going to add a little bit of ice into a little bit of sugar into the ice. Oh my God, I think I just said that so backwards. But so there's a bit of sugar in there, and I'm going to see how it goes because I have no idea, but I like sweet coffee. So on the back of the machine, I'm not going to show you, there is a switch to turn it on. Close that. And then coming around to the side, it has a button that says brew. So you press that, just show you, press that, the light will come on. Make sure the cup is underneath, and also this lever is slid across so it's open, and then we basically just wait a few minutes. I'm going to go from here. Wait a few minutes. I'm going to leave this in real time. Oh my God, you guys, I'm so sorry about how much the camera's moving, but I'm going to leave it in real time so you can see how long it takes to brew the coffee. So it does start off quite slow. Because I put the sugar in, I want to try and mix it through. Also, for reference, in the instruction manual, it does say to use big ice cubes. I don't have that, so I just add the small ones, and it says to fill up the cup. So as you can see, it's filling up. I'm gonna move it here. Sorry about the noise. I'm hoping the sugar dissolves in that. And the machine does just turn off itself once it's done. So this is a close-up. That's how slow it does go. And you can kind of hear that finishing up sound. And then it goes to a little drip basically, and then it's done. So I just let it go. As much as possible. So it's just dripping now, and you can have, I'm just going to slide it off, and then you can see the dripping stops. So I am a iced coffee girl with milk, so for me to give a review I need to add milk. I'm just going to add it to the top. I love when milk mixes into iced coffee. Alright, okay, so I'm just going to mix it. This is a massive cup as well. And the verdict. First of all, it's actually cold, which surprises me because I have a pod machine, an espresso pod machine, and it does take quite a while for me to cool the coffee down, add the milk, and for it to be actually cold. But in saying that, I do not add this much ice ever. This one tastes so much better than the last one. However, it does have a really, really watery taste to it. Do I like it? I don't love it, but I don't hate it. So I think maybe if I tweaked it, maybe if I had a little bit more coffee in it, it would have that stronger coffee taste. The first time I used the full scoop, this scoop, it was way too much. So that's why I did quite a bit less. Do I think the machine is worth it? To be honest, no, not really. I think if you want to make your own iced coffee and you have a different type of machine, you can do the exact same thing without having another type of appliance in your kitchen taking up space, and also having to clean it, maintain it, all of that. So for me, no, I do not actually recommend this if you have another coffee machine. If you specifically don't have a coffee machine, or you're looking to purchase a coffee machine and you only have iced coffee, this 100% I would recommend. I think it would be amazing because it doesn't take up that much room. It's quite quick and effective, and you could probably you know, make great iced coffee after a while once you figure it out. So I hope you found this helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Any questions, leave them down below. I would love to answer them for you. Thank you again, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.